welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have this really beautiful neutral glam wing eye. I don't really know what else to call it. I did this look for Instagram. You guys really liked this look, and it's really pretty, and I'm telling y'all, it's really easy. I know it kind of looks intimidating if you don't do these kinds of looks all the time, but we used tape. It makes your life so much easier, and I'm gonna start doing it more. Yeah, so I really used one palette, this Favorite Things palette from Too Faced. So easy, pop some really cheap 98-cent lashes on, bada bing bada boom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and if you want to see more videos like this. I don't know, who doesn't love a neutral eye with a really pretty nude lip? So also, I am going to talk over this. I haven't done one of those videos in a long time, so I just thought it'd be something different to do. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the video. This is how you do it, yeah. Alright, jumping right in. My brows are already done, so I look crazy. And we are going to be using tape. So the best advice I can give is just to make sure that they both are in the same angle on both sides. And I try to make mine a little bit more not as vertical up towards my eyebrow, because I find that I look like Maleficent when I do that. So I just try to make them at an angle, but not too much of a crazy angle, if that makes sense. So now we're jumping in with the Favorite Things palette with a Morphe M200 brush. And I'm going in with that milk chocolate shade, and I'm making sure that I'm touching the outer corners and then bringing that in. Now we're going in with a smaller, more tapered brush. This is actually one of my favorite brushes. I got it for like $2 at Walmart. And with this more ashier brown, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start by putting it where the tape is on that edge. So now that we already have that transition shade laid out all over the eye, now we can start defining the eye and adding a little bit more depth. So we're starting the color at the base of the tape with where the edge is, and then we're going to be bringing it in. So I'm just focusing this on that outer portion of the eye, that outer corner. Now for this beautiful shadow, this is, I forget what it's called, something honey, and I'm just putting that on my finger and putting it on that first inner corner part of the eye and placing it on the lid. I swear this is going to be like my go-to palette for my brides, because it's just so beautiful. And it's a beautiful toned gold, because sometimes some golds are too yellow, sometimes they're not bright enough, so this is perfect. So I'm just placing this on the inner part of the eye, bringing it to the lid. What would also look beautiful is if you were to take the shadow on a brush, spray it with MAC Fix Plus, and that would add even more dimension to this look. Now I'm going in with my Smashbox brush. This is an angled brush, and it's very dense, and I'm going in with that dark chocolate shade. So this dark chocolate shade is beautiful. It's a dark brown, very warm, not ashy at all, and I'm starting to place this on the edge of the tape, working my way into the eye just a little bit, just enough to add that smokiness. But I'm telling y'all, it's foolproof with the tape, so just make sure you're adding it to the edge, bring it in a little bit, and then we're going to blend that out with that pink tapered brush.
Young, lost, so lost, a king, our own paradise in our lives. This time, I'm not afraid to walk alone. I'm not afraid this time.
Now I'm going back in with that original blending brush, the Morphe brush, with no shadow on it, just whatever was left over on it from the first transition shade, just because we are working with darker shadows. Oh my gosh, I look psycho. You just want to blend out the edges. And now we're going in with the Sonia Kashuk eyeliner from Target. I love this eyeliner. It is very firm, and I like it because it's not like a wet liner, so I feel like I have a lot of control with it. And it looks janky with the tape because I'm putting the liner over the tape, just to ensure that we're going to have that really nice crisp line. So yeah, we're just doing a simple wing, nothing crazy. How freaking satisfying is this? Yes! Now you can just go in and see where you need to add a little bit more liner, and then I do bring it on the edge where that tape was, just to make it look like, you know, all fluid and that it goes together. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye.
Done. Boy, you set my world on fire. You made me regret my desire. No, we're young, lost, so lost, stuck in our own paradise in our lives. Words mean absolutely nothing. We go round and round, round and round.
And of course there is fallout, so we're going to wipe that away with a makeup wipe. Going in with the Garnier Ultra Lift Moisturizing Cream. Moisturizing cream, gross, that sounds weird. And now I'm going to conceal my freaking blemishes because they're just beautifully all over my face right now. Yep, that's my life. Shocker! Going in with Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This shade is perfect for me in the winter. I am not self-tanned in the slightest. And it's perfectly still yellow, but not dark. I don't look like an Oompa Loompa, so I love this shade for the winter. Going in with my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And if you don't do these, you know, really pretty smoky eyes a lot, especially if you do your eyes before your complexion, you can kind of look like a raccoon. Things can kind of look like they're going south, but I promise, just have patience and it will start to come together. Going in with some fine setting powder just to set everything in place. And also, if you feel like your eyes are looking a little crazy on the sides of the ankles, you can just bring this powder right next to that liner, and this will start to make everything look nice and crisp and put together, and it's gonna look beautiful. Setting the rest of my face where I did not put concealer. Going in with this MAC LOL, MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. This is one of my new favorite powders. I'm actually going to talk about it in a favorites video, along with this Sonia Kashuk brush. Dang, I'm into some Sonia Kashuk okra. And yeah, we're going to contour, bring some color to our face because we pretty much just took it out with that foundation and concealer. I'm going in with a Shany Cosmetics blush palette. I swear I can talk, I swear I can talk. And now I'm going in with this Too Faced palette. And I think this is an eyeshadow, but it has been working beautifully for my highlight lately. So, hello. Going to be going in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. We're going to be putting a coat on, preparing our lashes for some falsies. And then we're going to work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to be going in with this Milk Chocolate shade and apparently going to poke my eyeball out. And yeah, just going in with that Milk Chocolate shade, running that on the lower lash line just to add a little bit of smokiness. I think it really ties in the whole entire look. Then I'm going to be going in with that same mascara on the lashes. going in with the LA Color Diva lashes. These are only 98 cents. They're beautiful, and I actually just stocked up on like 10 pairs. The girl at Walmart was probably like, you're crazy, but they're beautiful. So now I'm going in with the Jordana lip liner. This is like $3 and change at Walgreens. It's a great nude, and this is in the shade Rockin' Rose. So I'm just going to outline my lips with this shade, and then I will fill it in with the NYX lip liner in pale pink, and it's a beautiful neutral combo for me. That is the finished product, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!